Remember, you don't like me when I'm around? No, I'm not. I'm just holding it. Why? Why are you laughing? There's no... I'm serious. I'm sure. Right? I don't like rude girls. Are you rude? You were being rude, right? I'm serious. I will take you to the police. And let them take care of you. Remember, you don't want any father? I will call the police to be your father. That's what you want, right? Remember, it's better if I'm not around. That's what you said, right? You're serious about that. I will go to other place and just take care of someone else. I will just play with someone else, laugh with someone else, play video games with someone else. Not with you anymore because you don't like me when I'm around. That's what you said. Also last night, you were rude. You were shouting at me. Remember? You were trying to sleep. But earlier you said it's better funnier if I'm not around. Remember? I will not go to Granny's house anymore and Lola's house. I will go take care of somebody else. Not you anymore. Because you don't like me, remember? That's what you said. Why are you crying? Don't cry. You remember this day, huh? Where's the police station here? You can find the police station anywhere. I will give you to them. What are you thinking now, huh? That's your wish, right? Is that your wish? That your wish is that you wish that I'm gonna be dead, or I'm gonna be not around forever, right? Is that your wish? You don't like me, you don't like me taking care of you or whatever, right? Remember? Now I'm not gonna be around, huh? Just going to the bank? Are you kidding me? Come on. Are you laughing? Are you laughing or crying? What? Remember you don't want me around, right? Don't cry out, they're gonna see your face. Pretend that you're laughing. Ay, laughing na. Ay, laughing na. Just kidding. Love. Ay, you don't want me. You really don't want me? I'm just kidding na. Come on. Just kidding. Or maybe you don't really want me around. Don't cry na. Just kidding. Love ko si Mandy, kahit even if you don't love me, I will love you. You're just the one who doesn't want me around. But me, I always want to be around with you. You did it earlier. You have Lola, right? show it. Let's show it here. Where do you want to eat? Were you sad? You tell me what was your wish? Was it really me to go away? That? You answer me now. Nothing. What? Just tell me. Krishna love love. Don't tell it to others, ha? Remember, if someone is taking care of you, don't tell them you don't want them to be around. Okay? You're gonna hurt their feelings. Okay? Andy? Especially to mama. Don't tell it to mama. She's gonna be hurt. It's gonna hurt their feelings. To granny, to lola, to lolo. Okay? I can hear you. I can hear you. Mandy, I can't hear you. Hi? Okay? Okay? Where are we? McDonald's? Why are we here? I'm mad at you. And yet I took you here? Are we gonna eat here or just park? Why are you laughing? Why? Oh, I forgot. I'm mad at you. I shouldn't have brought you here. You happy now? Huh? Why? Huh? What was it again?
I got my favorite color and my
Favorite color? Which one? Let me see. Wow. Now you like me to be around now. You just tricked me. Did you? Okay, you eat that. Are you gonna eat on your own? Maybe I'll just feed you.
Rabbit. No, I want to eat by my own. I know how to eat by my own.
Okay, that's good. Wait, we friends now?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you still want me as your father? Wow. Okay. Remember, don't yell on the older ones. Okay, who's older than you? Don't shout at them and respect them, just like they respect you. You love them just like they love you. Okay? Okay po. Fist bump na tayo. Wow, heart na heart. Heart. Okay. Say bye na.
Bye, guys. Love you.
Okay, she said bye and learn something from today. See you.